ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እሸቱ ነኝ የዘጠነኛ ክፍል የሂሳብ መምህር ከሉዚ ብሪጅ አካዳሚ። Okay, today we are going to see absolute value equation. We are going to learn about absolute value equation. On the previous video we have seen system of linear equation into variables. Okay, እንደተለመደው ዌብሳይታችን lucybridgeacademy.com እየገባችሁ የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከ5 ቋንቋዎች በላይ መረዳት የሚያስችላችሁ የራሳችሁን personalized AI assistance platform ይኖራችኋል። ስለዚህ አሁኑኑ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ጆይን ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለሌሎች ተማሪዎች በስፋት እንድንዳረስ የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ጆይን አድርጉ፣ የዩቲዩብ ቻናላችን ደግሞ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። Thank you. Absolute value equation. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on the number line. Yes, it is the distance between 2 points. Especially the absolute value of 5 ስል ማለት ነው the distance between 0 to 5 ያለው ማለት ነው። The absolute value of minus 5 ስል ደግሞ the distance between minus 5 and 0 or the distance between 0 and 5 ማለት it is distance. The distance between 0 and 5 is equal to the distance between negative 5 and 0, right? It is the distance between 2 points which is always positive. Distance is always a positive number or 0. Yes, the absolute value of 0 is 0, okay? Therefore, the absolute value of a number is always a positive number or 0. Exactly. The absolute value of a number x is always what greater than or equal to 0 na ከ0 የሚበልጥ ቁጥር ነው የሚሆነው። Okay? The absolute value of a number is always greater than or equal to 0. The absolute value of x is always greater than or equal to 0, right? Okay, the distance from 0 to 4 or from 0 to negative 4 is 4 units. ቅድም እንደነገርኳችሁ ነው። distance ይኖረናል። We have 0 here. Here is minus 4 and here is 4. Okay, there are how many units? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. በመካከላቸው ያለው እዚህ ጋር ከ0 እስከ 4 ያለው 4 ዩኒት ነው። 4 ዩኒት ኦኬ። በኔጌቲቭ 4 እና በ0 መካከል ያለው 4 ዩኒት ነው ማለት so the absolute value of negative 4 is equal to the absolute value of 4 which is equal to 4 unit እንላለን ማለት ነው። Okay, the distance between points x and point y is given by the absolute value of y minus x or the absolute value of x minus y. Same thing. The absolute value of x minus y is equal to the absolute value of y minus x. The distance between 2 points x and y. Okay, the distance between them is x minus y, or you can write y minus x ብላችሁ the distance between 2 points በዚህ መንገድ ማስቀመጥ እንችላለን ማለት ነው። Evaluate each of the following expressions. Okay, the absolute value of minus 5, which means 5 unit. Okay, 5, this is a, and b, the absolute value of 3 minus root 3 is equal to what? Same thing, 3 ከroot 3 ስለሚበልጥ 3 minus root 3 ይሆናል። c, the absolute value of root 3 minus 3 ይሄ ግን ይሄ የሚሆነው ኔጌቲቭ ቁጥር ስለሚሆን ፖዚሽኑን እናቀያይረውና 3 minus root 3 which is positive value always የሚሆነው ለማለት ነው። እሺ ተማሪዎች የዚህን ክፍል ሙሉ ክፍል ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ ዌብሳይታችን ላይ ወይም ደግሞ የሞባይል አፕሊኬሽናችሁ ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ።